Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect pancake, so keep watching and hope you enjoy. The ingredients you'll need is 100 grams of plain flour, 2 large eggs, 300 millilitres of milk and a tablespoon of sunflower or vegetable oil, a jug like with the measuring jug and a tablespoon, and also I forgot the scales as well. Any scales really. After you have put your 100 grams in, you're going to put this in your measuring jug. And then crack 2 large eggs and put them in. Let me just put that, and then you're going to add some milk, not lots though. Ready? Mix it up. I think this is just a mess. Don't think this is right, Dad. It turns out that wasn't really. Oh! I've done.
Get some tissue.
Spilled it. Now we've just added some, what is it? Pure sunflower oil. We've just set the oven on simmer. Starts going like this then, that means then you need to flip it over, toss it over. What have we done to it? The oven thingy off simmer to normal, and it's not turned out what we expected it to be, so I think we've changed our oven setting to normal now, just normal, and it's not been cooked very well. That's me attacking too. Whoa, not very good. Now we've cooked it a bit more, now it's gone a bit more normal. So we don't have to worry about anything. I personally think we did it wrong. Pancake number 2. So this is our pancake. Pretty normal to be honest. I'm just going to decorate it with this, what is it? Lemon juice. Oh, I like quite a lot of lemon on mine. I usually have Nutellas and like bananas and strawberries, and then this is sugar by the way. But we don't have Nutella, we've kind of run out. Nice. So this is pancake number 2, and I'm not going to add as much lemon juice as I did last time. Roll the pancake up. This one's a bit more softer. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be making more videos soon. Bye!